I ordered, I think these are called tulips, right? I think.
I don't need this no more. I don't need to stay, finna walk out that door. My mistake, giving you love galore. Hope you find someone that can really adore you. Don't worry, I ain't keeping grudges, cause I'm doing better, life cannot be more golden. But honestly, I won't lie, sometimes I ask why I can't get you out my head, now hard to forget that I really need to cut you off. You're always trying to lead me on. You're making all these promises and you'd always quit. You're just another hypocrite. No, I'm can't 시간을 후회해. No, you thought that I would always stay, but you thought I'd be yours and 지금은 말로 nobody. Someone tell me why. Can't move on from you. I still think about you. Tell me everything like I'm ready to. Doesn't mean all the things you said. You know that he moved on. 관심 없어 어떻게 지내던. I already have a bunch of guys lined up. How'd you lose a baddie like me? You're lost, boy. I'm actually doing just fine. Even when you were not mine, but 가끔씩은 널 잊고 싶은데 그게 잘 안 돼. No, I really need to cut you off. You're always trying to lead me on. You're making all these promises and you'd always quit. You're just another hypocrite. No, I'm can't 시간을 후회해. No, you thought that I would always stay, but you thought I'd be yours. 이 지금은 말로 nobody. Someone tell me why.
I just got done cooking, so it's time to go take a shower, then come and eat. This girl is tired. I need to take down my hair. This is an embarrassment. So I need to take it down. I think I'll take it down. I don't know, maybe tomorrow. Yeah, maybe tomorrow. Not today. Hi y'all. So this is like, I don't even know. I've not been vlogging, Sha, but welcome back to the vlog. Woof, welcome to another day. Actually, I just got in from work, like literally just walked in. Let me turn this off. Got in from work. You might go bad, you. And I decided to pick up the camera, you guys. Hey, then they follow me for back. I took down my braids. By the way, the fro is throwing. I've not done this my signature eye puff in a very long time. So I took down my braids yesterday. See, like I'm in my lazy girl, lazy natural element. So I just took down the braids, brushed my hair, and just put it in this eye puff. If you follow me on Instagram, you must have seen the process. I made it into a reel, and I also made it into a TikTok video. So if you're following me on any of these places, you already saw this. Like, you already saw this, right? So today. So yesterday I also batch cooked. I made a very large batch of stew and also ogbono soup. So like the next 1 to 2 months, because like we don't eat stew every day, right? Except if I use the stew for jollof at some point, then I'm covered for soup and stew for another 1 month plus. So yay for that. We're going to have a bar this evening, and I think I want to cook what will take to work tomorrow this evening, or maybe just start the cooking process today. What else? I think that's all. That is all I have. And also, my flour from AliExpress got delivered some days ago. One of the sets of flowers that I ordered. So this is the flour. This island has been so bare since I can remember, for like the past 1 month. Ooh, okay. It's even this one. I thought it was the ones I ordered last. Oh, I thought it was supposed to be more than this. Anyway, I think these are called tulips, right? I think they look pretty real to me. You guys, buying flowers is for the rich. I concluded that I was not yet, I never reached there. I'm not there yet. Like, I cannot sustain changing the flowers every 2 weeks. No, so I decided to order me some fake flowers from AliExpress. Who's gonna know? How will they know?
When the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going. Like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation. Cigarettes and just season. Shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam 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 jam. Jam 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 jam. Jam 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 jam. Shining like your ice in every time. Jam 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 jam. Jam 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 jam. Jam 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 jam. Shining like your ice in every time. We know like me. We know shine bright like royalty. We know stay keep a dignity and wine. So kind of your neck is falling. You been waiting on me to solve it for me. And last weekend you had me thinking, oh, must
Hi guys, welcome to another day. I just got back from work. I don't want to put this thing on my table. I went to Dollarama like you saw, and I just want to quickly show you things that I bought. And I got cheese steaks. I also got this caramel popcorn, because all the popcorns I've been buying, they're just like, they're not plain, but like it's not the sweet type. So I got this one. Hopefully I like it. Also, I got some plantain chips. We've been buying some plantain chips from African store, but I know that I usually see plantain chips at Dollarama, so I've been on the lookout for it. The one from the Asian store is about $6 and some change. I'm gonna show you the pack, and I'll check how much it weighs. But these ones are $1 each. I got 4. We'll see how we like them. Then, so the reason why I went to the Dollarama was I went to the one downtown, like not the one downtown, not the one downtown. I'm sure there are many different ones downtown, but like I went to one that is located downtown, because I feel like they're going to have they have, not that they're going to have, they have, because I've been there once and I saw a couple of things that I do not usually see at the one not too far from me. So I decided to go there because I want to like organize my kitchen. You guys, look at the craziness going on. I don't want that. I need to sort those out as soon as possible. So I'm collecting things that I'm going to be using, because of course I'm on a budget. I can't just carry one money and go and buy all these items. So I've been collecting things over the past couple of months. So the next things that I wanted was like storage containers for what's it called, for pasta. So but I didn't see the ones I wanted, but like I just picked these ones anyway. I'll show you in a minute. Why are you looking for?
Where is the money for all these things?
So I got these. I got 2 of these. Yeah, for pasta. Small plate for when I cook in bulk, so that I can store them in smaller containers. See what I got. I got this turntable storage organizer thing at Dollarama for $4.75. There's one I saw on Temu. I'm yet to order it. It's for $10. That one is more aesthetic, but this one is also functional. So yeah, I'll see how it looks there. Now I don't know whether I'm going to still order the one from Temu. That one is like $10. Again, you guys, the scrub mommy, I bought scrub mommy the last time I went there, and since then I've been to the Dollarama close to me once. I checked, they don't have scrub mommy, so I picked out another scrub mommy from this Dollarama. I also picked out dishwasher detergent. You guys, our bush as we thought regular detergent would work. Well, I thought, right? But yes, we used the time we tried using our dishwasher, we used regular detergent, and no, don't do that, okay? Don't try it. I also gloves for when we want to cook but don't want to touch the actual food in the process. And that is all that I got today. And yeah, just like that, I parted with about $40. Yeah, $40. But I'm happy. Yeah, I'll see you guys later. Hi y'all. I just got back from work and today is Friday. So I went to the Asian store, of course, because what is commuting back from work without stopping by to buy something? Right, so we ran out of a lot of things, so I had to stop and buy. I got some tissue paper, toilet paper, straight into the oven, right? I got some spring onions, some carrots. These carrots, I find they're very sweet, so I got them. You know, for when you want to garnish something, maybe rice, spag, noodles. I hardly just go pick a carrot and eat by itself. So I also got some Japanese yams. Got some Irish potatoes. I just picked 4 because we still have some left. And I got onions, guys. For the first time, like I was out of onions. So I got some tinned tomatoes because I'm most likely going to make jollof this weekend. I also got some ginger and some red onions. Yeah, that's all I got from see. I didn't buy too much. Oh, and I bought bananas. This is the second time I'm buying bananas since we've been here. The last time was not a good experience because it was not ripe, so it was not sweet. And then I left it in the fridge, and that was the end of that banana. 4 bananas. So when I got done from the Asian store, I went to No Frills. So there are some things that I usually prefer buying at the Asian stores, and there are some things I would always want to get from No Frills and the other stores because they are cheaper there. aka or e.g. eggs. So I find that eggs at no frills are cheaper. They have much cheaper eggs at no frills than the Asian store. And you guys, I picked this crate of 18 and they I wanted to say they are so big. Like, taking a look at it like this, it looks like they're so huge. And if you know me, I have a thing for large eggs. Like, I have a thing for large eggs. Like, they call my name, but it's not even as big as I thought. In this case, I've not seen like big eggs, but this is as large as it gets here, and I don't mind it. So I got two. Yeah, I got two. So like for the rest, for another 3 weeks of, yeah, we will be good when it comes to eggs. I got two packs because I already got my egg organizer. Only take 30 eggs, but we'll work our way around it. And I also got chicken sausages, two, and that is all for this haul.